Kashmiri Wazwan is a multi-course meal in Kashmiri cuisine. Its preparation is an art in itself. The ultimate ceremonial feast in Kashmir is known as Wazwan and consists mostly of meat-based dishes. It's a princely feast and often referred as the feast for kings. Today I'll be showing you how the Wazwan platter or Trami or Trami is set up before serving. I'll be doing a series of videos on Kashmiri Wazwan done by our super talent chefs or Wazas themselves. I'll be doing videos on all the dishes served in Wazwan. Keep watching my channel. As requested by a lot of people among you, I'll be doing videos in Urdu language also on a different channel, ZoonDaeb Urdu. I'll leave a link in description box. Thank you for your support always. Please do subscribe to my Urdu channel also. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.